Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to tell you how you can easily connect your JVC speaker with your phone or tablet or every other device using a cable. At first you have to find a cable which is jack cable, just a simple. Here we do have our jack cable. The first part of the cable we have to plug at the top. We have to plug our cable into our jack port in our phone, and now we have to find the jack port on our speaker, which is, as you can see, here. Let me show you this to the camera. Here is exactly over here, and we have to just plug our jack cable into this port. Let me do this off camera, so I will make it more professional. Here now, and everything is done now. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.